Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I hope that you all had a great week. And really quickly, before I begin this project, I just wanted to quickly note there is something wrong with my laptop. I have a 6-year-old Asus laptop that has been giving me problems for like the past year. I really need a new one. And I've been having this pop-up that has been popping up every 5 minutes on my computer saying I need to scan this antivirus software that I don't even know how got on my computer. I can't take it off and has been popping up honestly like every 5 minutes telling me to scan my computer. I can't get rid of it. So please just bear with me if that pops up. I really do apologize. Just bear with me. My laptop is old. I really need a new one. So today for this project, for our Google Earth project, which I was so excited to do, and I think it's kind of a coincidence and kind of funny timing that this is happening right now. The place I would like to take you is to Washington. And the reason why I say that it's such funny timing right now is because I actually might be moving to Washington this summer for a year or forever if I end up liking it. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So I went to Washington for the first time in 2009 to visit my fiance's mother and stepdad and brother and sister. It was my first time going up there and I loved it. So typically, we try to go every year, or at least every other year. We drove up there once with our dog. That was a lot of fun, but usually we don't bring him, and we usually fly out of the Palm Springs International Airport. I prefer the Palm Springs Airport over LAX, because I think LAX is just crazy. Every time I go there, I get lost. I'm always there for hours, and the Palm Springs Airport is just a lot smaller, a lot simpler, a lot more in and out. There's like less chaos. It's a lot less stressful. So usually we fly out of Palm Springs and we land in a town in Washington called Bellingham. Bellingham is it's a very small town to people up in Washington. In this part of Washington, Bellingham is their little city. To me, coming from California, LA County, I'm like, this is not city. But to them, it is, as you can see here, it says Bellingham is a coastal city. And it is right next to the Canadian border. So the place that I would possibly be moving this summer, and is also where my in-laws live, is actually further up above Bellingham. And it is a little town called Blaine, Washington. Now it says here that Blaine is a city in Whatcom County, Washington, United States. The city's northern boundary is the Canada-U.S. border. Blaine is the shared home of the Peace Arch International Monument. The population was 4,684 at the 2010 census. So I'm pretty sure that 4,000 is still about accurate. Everybody in Blaine knows everybody. Even when we go up there, people... my fiance's mom's friends recognize us. She is a school psychologist for the Blaine County School District, and so she knows everyone. So you can't go to the store, to the gas station, to the movies, to the mall, anywhere without seeing someone you know. And it's really awesome. There's a lot more of a more closeness and more family vibe there than I'm used to here in California. So I really like it. As you can see right here, this yellow line right here is actually the Canadian border. Right here, where you see this little 3 arch, is actually the Canadian border entrance right there. So around here is where my in-laws live, and you can honestly drive 10 minutes up, and you can see the 3 arches right there, and hey, there's the Canadian border. I say every year, next year when I come back up, I'm going to have my passport. We're going to go to Canada, and I've been saying that for 9 years, and I still don't have my passport. But I am dying to go to Canada. So definitely if we end up moving there this year, I will have my passport and hopefully we'll be able to go to Canada whenever I want to. So Blaine, Bellingham, those are more towards the top of Washington, both very beautiful. My in-laws live in the woods. They literally live in the woods. They have horrible Wi-Fi. They have horrible phone service, but it's gorgeous. It's like a scene right out of Twilight. If I click on here and zoom in a little bit more, you can see that there's not really a whole lot here. You don't see really any big buildings. You mainly just see houses and trees and a lot of woods. Right here is the water, the bay area all over here. And then like over here, this is a park called Lincoln Park that I've actually been to several times. But this is probably somewhere where my in-laws live, to be honest with you. It's nothing but trees and woods. And right here is actually the Bellingham Airport where we fly into every year. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of green, a lot of trees. It's definitely not like California, but it's great. It's a great change of scenery. I love it. I love every year when we go there. I never want to leave. So if we end up moving there this year, I'll definitely be excited. And hopefully, maybe in a future class, because I will be staying at Laverne doing online classes, hopefully in a future class, I can show you more about maybe what will be my new life. We will see. So next I want to take you guys to Seattle. Every year when we go up, we try to go to Seattle at least once, depending on how long we're there. In 2011, we were up there for the whole month of July, so we got to go to Seattle several times. When I think of Seattle, or when I try to describe it to other people, it's honestly like a cleaner downtown Los Angeles. It's so awesome. They have the first Starbucks, they have the Space Needle, they have Point Heights Market. There's really a lot of fun stuff to do, and it's great. So if you are ever up to travel and want to go somewhere different, now it's taking me to Washington, D.C., and you want to go somewhere different, I would definitely recommend Washington State. It's gorgeous. I love it, and I honestly do hope that I'll get to move there. So I'll keep you guys updated on that for sure. And I've enjoyed watching the other presentations so far, and I hope that everyone found this project to be simple and easy and fun like I did. And yeah, if you're ever up for a road trip, Washington only takes about 18 to 20 hours. It's great. Definitely would recommend it, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.